Hello, this is my pasta in the oven, and the pasta is made of kale and peas, and the main ingredients are going to be broccoli and cauliflower and feta cheese, and we're going to add some Parmesan cheese on top. We're going to make it like a bechamel or a white sauce, as you call it, and put it in the oven for 30 minutes in a 180-degree oven. I hope you try. So now the pasta with veggies and cheese is ready to go in the oven for 25 minutes. Depends in the oven. This is very healthy, guys. You gotta try it. I'm sure the kids would love it too. It's pasta, but it's not, you know? Wink, wink. I hope you give it a try. So the kale and green pea pasta is ready. I hope you guys try it.